Hey there, Katie Olson here from Reinders Holiday Lighting, your holiday lighting specialist. I've been in the industry for almost 15 years, and we're here today to talk about roofline clips. We're gonna start out with Tough Clip brand. We carry 5 different clips from them, and here in my hand I have the Tough Clip Original. This clip is great for a nice sturdy clip to use on both the gutter line and on a gable. However, it's gonna have to be either pointing upward or downward on that gable end, and I have a solution for you here in just a minute. To install, you're gonna start with your clip and socket separate, set it over the top, and simply screw your bulb in. To put it up onto your gutter, it's gonna snap right down just like that. The second clip that I'm gonna talk about from Tough Clip is gonna be the Tough Clip Flex. They came out with this one because it's a little bit easier to install onto our bulb. You're simply going to flex it around your bulb. It installs the exact same on that gutter. Snapping down. Our third clip by Tough Clip is gonna be the Flex Clip Wedge. This works great if you have a bulkier shingle like a cedar shake or a tile, because it's gonna give you a little bit more grip there with that curvature to the bottom of the clip. It's gonna install exactly like that Flex Clip, flexing around your bulb and onto your gutter in the same fashion. Our fourth clip is gonna be a new clip for this season. It is the Tough Clip with the Flex, but it's made for your gable ends. One of our main problems with a normal gutter clip is when you move onto your gable, your bulbs are either pointed upwards or downwards and not maintaining that horizontal orientation that we see on our gutters. To install onto our bulb, it's gonna be the same as our normal Flex clips, and then you can install that onto your gable for our horizontal orientation. Our fifth clip by Tough Clip, I don't have a sample of today, but it's gonna be our Tough Tab. So it's very similar to a shingle tab that we're familiar with, which we carry both the 2-hole and 3-hole, but made by our brand of Tough Clip. We love Tough Clips. They're durable, they last for years. You leave behind less garbage on the job site, and they don't fall off of your socket line during removal. Next up, I have an oldie but goodie, the Clip All. This clip has a smooth bottom to it. You can twist to lock in a mini clip, and it's versatile for both C7 or C9 bulbs. It goes on both the gutter or your gable end, or you can slip it under your shingle with that favorite downward pointing orientation. The next clip that we're going to be talking about today is the Clip All with ridges. This one's very similar to our Clip All, but it's going to feature extra ridges for additional grip onto your gutters and your shingle line on your gable ends. It can fit both C7 or C9 sockets and features an additional clip down here if you want to add icicle lights into your display. Next up, we have the Clip All Plus. This clip can go just about anywhere, tucking things into place, securing them down for your installs that have extra wind. Make sure you don't have any cords rattling around, all those things I love using this clip for. Next up, we're going to be showing you 2 varieties of shingle tabs. We have a 2-hole and a 3-hole that fit a various size of sockets. They also have matching parapet clips. So if you're installing on a commercial building with a parapet wall, you attach this to your building, and then your clip slides into it, securing it down. For removal, you leave the parapet clip in place and take your shingle tabs and socket line with you. While we're talking about those commercial buildings with parapet walls, now is a great time to be talking about magnetic clips. Well, we also carry a socket line that has the magnets built into it. We have a clip that can convert your normal socket line into a magnetic line. You can install them 2 different ways. Before you do your project though, make sure your drip edge on that parapet wall is magnetic. A great clip to have in your job truck for when you're doing that gingerbread house look and lighting up your ridge lines is the ridge clip. It's going to install onto your socket line and then stretch around your ridge cap, hooking into the edges of those shingles. Make sure when you go to do removal that you're not putting too much stress onto that ridge when you pull them down. For more tips, tricks, and installation techniques, go ahead and give us a like and comment below. Subscribe to our Reinders Holiday Lighting YouTube page or follow us along on Facebook. For any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.